Hi. So oshevandu tuhepo vikwae hapo kushatuhupi. Ovina ivitaturiri. Ovikurya, omea, okuthua, okuraranu. So we need food, water, and rest. Shiwapenduka kwa wagotu mbepo nongothiva. The first thing you think about, I need my cup of coffee. No? I need to drink my coffee. Oshu mona oto kupenduka that first cup of caffeine morutu. Right? And when you are hungry, you are motivated to kuenda kustoro karando shuguriapo to make something to eat. No? So water, you always need to drink water to stay healthy and alive. Body. So I'm gonna give a little bit of examples, pokatiko, what we need and what we are driven to. No? So we need food to survive. If you are hungry, you are motivated by what is called dopamine in the brain. It motivates you. You are motivated. I feel like I'm so thirsty. You are motivated by your thirst. Okay? So, for example, they say okothiva has about 50 nanograms per deciliter. So every morning when you drink that, that is how much deciliters you drink per cup of coffee. And then food, eating your favorite food, food, anything that you love, has about 94 nanogram per deciliters that you eat, right? So a milkshake or ice cream, whatever it is, it just has that kick morutu, and you start feeling nice and good. You're eating your favorite food, kasho. So shwadara or waire koko gambling, and then you won on the slot machine, that kicks to about 100 nanograms, kasho. So what happens is your brain associates that good behavior and that good feeling to how you are feeling inside, right? Ogusha uirehi, you are motivated. So your body starts to look for that so that you can feel that high or that happy. Kasho? Obudo omudumushavi, I want a steak of meat. Because they know the first time they ate that, that is how nice it felt. I don't like bananas. I don't like the smell or something. So the brain tells you we shouldn't eat that. That is not good for us. But you are allergic to peanuts. Peanuts because your brain remembers and you are motivated not to eat that. So now the other flip coin of this is shoto mange or alcohol. What your brain does is the first time that you use it, your high is kicked over 100. And if it's heavy drugs, it's almost 1,100 nanograms per deciliters that your brain reacts to this. Okusha uireihe, your brain is like, oh wow, that's a very nice feeling. I really, really want to feel that feeling again. Because it's higher than food, it's higher than water, it's higher than anything that you've experienced, which is a healthy thing for your body. Kasho. So what the problem now becomes, your body starts to look for this. And every time ashimono shikari hapo that you are using this drug, you never feel the same high. The first time is always the best high. Kasho. So your body is motivated, but I want to feel that, I want to feel that, I want to feel that. Meaning, or you just follow that, you follow that, you follow that. And that what that creates, it creates what we call tolerance. So the more you drink, the more you use substances, the more your body wants to feel the same high, and you almost never get to feel the same high. Creator or addiction, creator or first loving and but so you always want to do this. So because the high was so high, omundu shauto kuriro ofashla shauto ku okuhena kurishaira ko bishitwa mbinu, it's almost very hard for you to tell them to stop. They hear you, but they cannot control their strong craving. Or craving on motivated. so it becomes an issue. So umundu shafeshava kushina kakusha warowa kakusha karavaererwe kakushavi wafengwa. It's a real brain problem. It's a chronic brain disease. So right now what I'm trying to say, Shavi, it's a real problem. And therapy is possible. Sometimes we have to rehab to stay at least 4 weeks, 5 weeks in a rehab setup to change their brain pathways so that they can find motivation to like the normal highs of food, water, normal drinks, and not just anything that's toxic. When you are driven by such a strong high, kushavi, you're going to die tomorrow. These people don't really think that far. I want to feel this high. I want to feel this thing over and over and over and over again. So we need to think about addiction, it's a serious problem. It's a brain disease, and it's something with therapy and counseling that can be achieved. So please be kind to each other. Try to research on addiction. And what I'm trying to say is, I'm not trying to excuse behavior. No, I'm not excusing to maintain their craving that it's okay. No, it's not okay. Kasho, it's not okay. What I'm trying to say is you can find solutions. There is help out there, but you need to not give up. And if your person or your family member doesn't want help, it's okay, but sometimes you need to take initiative so that you help them, because they are driven by or their drive to want rather than their reason to say, okay, mekulu, this is not healthy for me. So that is the difference between addiction and just healthy cravings and healthy behavior. I hope this helps. So be kind and stay true to yourselves and take care of each other. Very now.